Hello, everyone. Once again, uh, thanking you everyone for watching my videos on CPT Pandora, clinical pharmacology CPT Pandora. So, the importance of a clinical pharmacologist lies in the proper integration of clinical research in the clinical practice, routine clinical practice. So, in the oncoming sections, I will be discussing about some interesting and important clinical scenarios and some key points of the clinical practice with reference to the clinical research and translational research and the clinical pharmacology. So that will give the right insight of the clinical pharmacology in the clinical practice. So keep watching, keep put comments on the chat box and suggestions also. Once again, thanking you everybody. So keep on watching once again.